Hey everybody, it's Joao's List. It's a beautiful afternoon here in North Carolina, and I'm on my way to try this place called Portable Portugy, and it is a Portuguese food truck. It's the only one of its kind in this area. I have found restaurants, but I never really tried a Portuguese food truck, this type of Portuguese food truck. So we're gonna go check it out. The chef is his name is Sean. From what I'm told, he is originally from New Bedford, Massachusetts. So he grew up eating that Azorian food, which I love. So I'm really looking forward to see what he has available on his menu today. I grew up myself in Fall River. That was one of the places that I grew up in, and I really enjoyed the culture, and I enjoyed all the places that I was able to visit, all the food, and growing up visiting friends and their parents cooking. I love their cooking, so I'm looking forward to trying this new place. By the way, you can check out Joao's List. That's Joao's List. For those of you who are not Portuguese native speakers, it's Joao's List, and you can go there and click North Carolina, and you can find his information, find where he's going to be at, the dates, and all of that. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, we are here, and this is Sean's truck. Look at that, representing in North Carolina, and I love this sticker right here. Look at that. So I've eaten enough prego no pão throughout my life to notice the difference, how different places make them differently. And in the Azores, they like to use peppers a lot, which is amazing because they give it such a great flavor. So since John is from New Bedford, he's got that Azorian influence. The steak is cooked to perfection. It's a little pink inside. It's exactly how I like it. It's good steak. It's not like you bite into it and you kind of have to fight to break it. It just breaks very easily. And the sauce has that garlic sauce. It's really, really good. So I'm not doing a food review, but I will say that this food is amazing. All right, guys. So I am done. My belly is happy. Like my grandfather used to say, barriga cheia, coração contente. So, you know, belly full, heart is happy. So I got my fix for the month. I got my prego no pão. It was delicious. I loved it. So if you check it out, go to joaoslist.com. You can click any state, and if there's Portuguese restaurants that exist that are part of our website, you'll see it, and then you can go there and visit. All right, guys. So don't forget, tell your friends, tell your family about our website. Anytime you're traveling this summer, don't forget you can go on our website and find some Portuguese. Thank you so much, and God bless.